This is K.Naga Suresh, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Aditya University. Today we are going to discuss about the involute of a circle in engineering graphics. So these are the learning outcomes. Construct involute of a circle by using AutoCAD software and solve the simple problem related to the involute of a circle in engineering graphics. So this is the definition of the involute of a circle. An involute is a curve traced by the end of a string that is unwound from a fixed base circle while keeping the straight line. Example, if any circular disc is there, the circular disc is wounded with the rope. This is the circular disc. The disc is wounded with the rope. If it is slowly unwound, initially you wounded with the rope. Okay, so you slowly unwound like this. You slowly unwound like this. Keep it stretched. Okay, and the free end of the thread will be moving along the straight path. The path is called involute. Yes, so this is the involute of a curve. So initially the thread is wounded on the disc. That thread is unwounded like this. It will create one imaginary curve. Okay, the curve is nothing but involute of a circle. So we'll see the simple problem related to the involute of a circle. Draw the involute of a given diameter of the generating circle is 40 mm. So by using AutoCAD software, how to draw this involute of a circle by using AutoCAD software, we will discuss it. This is the AutoCAD interface. Before starting off any drawing, we need to do some screen settings. Units, enter, precision 0.0 and units are there in millimeters and click OK, and limits LIMITS limits, enter, 0, 0, enter, 420, 297, enter, Z for zoom, enter, A for all, enter. And next one, go to the dimension style manager. This is third screen setting, D, enter, modify, symbols and arrow size is 4 and text height is also 4 and click OK and close. First of all, they are given diameter of the generating circle is 40 mm. Take the circle, they are mentioned diameter. Here when we open the circle command, center radius, center diameter, 2 point, 3 point circles, they are the different options are available here. Take the center diameter. Why? Because in the problem they will mention the diameter of the generating circle. That's why we take the center diameter. Take the center diameter, click on the screen, drag the mouse and give value 40. Yes, and take the one line, make sure switch on the ortho mode F8 to draw the straight line. Yes, and we need to draw the one line, that is the line distance is equal to circumference of the circle. Go to the calculator and the circumference of the circle formula is pi d, pi into diameter 40, 125.66. So draw the line with 125.66, make sure switch on the ortho mode 125.66, enter. And in the inside circle we already draw one vertical line. Divide this circle into 8 equal divisions. Go to the array in modify toolbar, polar array. Screen is asking select the object. You select this object and press enter, and the screen is asking specify the center point of array. Specify the center point of circle, click on the center point of circle. Defaultly it will be divided into 6 divisions. Here items are available, change it from 6 to 8 and press enter button 2 times. After that, take the empty command, multi-text command, and take one reference letter. The size of the letter is 4. Copy the letter, the command is CO, enter, select the object and make sure switch off the ortho mode and give the letter 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. yes, and this is the center point of the circle O. And next one, this is 1, 2, double click on the letter, the editing option is open, you can edit each letter. After that, divide this line into 8 equal divisions, go to the PT, PT means point style PT, and change the point style, and point size is 3, and defaultly it will be there in set size relative to screen, change it into set size in absolute unit and click OK. And go to the divide command, div, enter, select the line, and it will ask the number of segments 8, yes, and after that copy this letter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and this is 8. So, this is P dash, and this is 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, double click on the letter, the editing option is open. Yes, after completion of this, take the array command, polar array, and select entire this line with lettering and points also, and press enter, and specify the center point of arrays. Click on the center point of the circle, and defaultly it will be divided into 6 divisions, but we already divide the circle into 80 divisions. Go to the items, change it into 6 to 8 and press enter. Yes, and after completion of that, trace the involute curve, go to the spline curve. So, the command is SPL, SPL means spline, SPL, enter, mark the point P and mark the first line, first point, that is 1 dash, second line, second point, that is 2 dash, third line or third tangent line, third point 3 dash, fourth tangent line, fourth point, that is 4 dash, fifth tangent line from the circle, yes, and fifth point, that is 5 dash, sixth tangent line, sixth point, that is 6 dash, and this is the seventh tangent line, seventh point, that is 7 dash, and last one, eighth tangent line, that is P dash. After completion of that, press end tangent C and press enter button. Yes, and remove the excess lines. Okay, if you take the trim command, go to the trim option is not highlighted because it is in single entity. All 8 tangent lines are in single entity. We need to explode that. So, the command is X, X means explode, X, enter, select the line, any line, and press enter. All lines are exploded. Yes. So, after that, take the trim command, trim the each line, and delete all letters. So, this is not useful, that is why I deleted here. Yes. So, after completion of that, give the dimension of this object, go to the annotation, take the dimension linear 125.66 and go to the annotation, take the diameter symbol, mention the diameter 40 mm. Okay, and here our output is involute curve. So, need to highlight that curve. So, we need to give some thickness. So, that is PE, poly edit, PE, enter, select the curve and press enter, and give thickness 1, enter. Or another way is there, switch on the line weight, so display the line weight option, click OK and select the curve and change the thickness. This is another method. You can increase the thickness of the curve. Okay, so you need to highlight the curve because this is our output. Yes. So this is the way of drawing the involute curve by using AutoCAD software. Today we discussed draw the involute of a circle by using AutoCAD software and simple problem on involute of a circle. Thank you everyone.